So guys. Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a farm tour once again. So a lot has changed since my last farm tour video, and to be honest, the farm looks more beautiful now, and there are more stuff that's actually interesting. So yeah, that's what I'm going to show you guys today, and yeah. First, we're going to do a quick montage, then I'll show you guys details and stuff. As you can see, we have a proper veggie garden. Wow, there's some vines over there. I don't know what those are, but yeah, I'm not even an expert. Oh, and there's my dad. Okay, yeah, sure. So let's actually get into the proper tour. So this is the gate. We have a red gate. Yeah, and then first thing you see is that. Okay, we have a pathway. Oh, and then here, when you look to the right, there is this thing. This was actually gonna be a fish pond, but I think my dad's gonna turn it into like a swimming pool or something. And then we have this. I don't know what tree this is, but yeah. And then here is the entrance to the goats. I don't know, to the wide, large farm or something. So yeah, that there it is, and that's the house. I'm pretty sure you guys have not seen the brand new house. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure you guys have not seen the brand new house, the goats and stuff. So yeah, there it is. I'll get to that in a sec, but here we have some veggies and we have the actual farm. So later on, I'm actually gonna go like picking some veggies, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the whole processing thing, because I have not actually I have not done those yet. I have not picked any veggies in my life yet. So actually once tomatoes, but that was like 3 years ago or something. So yeah. Over here to the right again, we have a cornfield or something. I don't know what, yeah, that's corn, but I don't know what the whole thing is actually called. But I'm super excited for these to like grow or something, because I really love corn, and it's like my favorite veggie. Now if we go over here, ta-da, you guys can like take a look at the farm even better. So yeah, there are some stuff over here, some veggies, and then we have like stuff over there, more veggies, and then here we have the stuff that actually there we have the stuff that I'm going to like harvest. Here to the right we have a hut. So this is where Mang Baste used to live, but now he's gone. So yeah, this is basically empty except for that part. But here we have some plants. And yeah, over here we have some stuff. Okay, so now after the pathway, this is where you are. This is where it'll lead to actually. Yeah. This is the actual like hut, the actual house or something, or I guess a room. So here we have the room that Keisha can stay in when we're like here, and then over here we have this like little greenhouse thing. It just gives me like greenhouse vibes, so yeah. And then here we have some plants. I think this is a pine tree. I don't know. Oh, OMG. OMG. Oh, my cactus. Oh my goodness. I really want one. Oh. Next, here we have is this giant hall full of emptiness or something. We just have little stuff over here. So this is where my sister's birthday was actually originally gonna be celebrated at, but yeah, as you can see, there's some rubber mat stuff over there. But yeah. So next, I'm going to be showing you guys the room. Okay, guys. So as I was saying, we are going to go inside now, and yeah, here we enter. Here we are at the magical place. So, over here, when you look to the left, the first thing that you see is the TV and the dining table. So here we have the TV for the box. So, yeah, here, the TV. And then here we have a little mini fridge. I don't really know what's inside, but yeah, we have a mini fridge. And here we have the dining table. We have some kettle over here. We have a mug, and then we have some forks and spoons, and back here are the chairs and stuff. So, when you look to the right, we have this giant but comfy bed. Oh, I forgot to there's a mat, a brown mat, a comfy brown mat. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom. So we have a door with a mirror. So let's enter. Woo! So this is the magical bathroom. I really love the tiles because I just think they're super aesthetic and super modern, simplistic stuff. So just zoom in the tiles, please. Thanks. So here we have some slippers, and then I actually remember the Highland Valley vlog. It was like this. So we have the magical toilet that you can earn your money. It's really nice for business. Has a lot of money, this is great for business. So we have a bidet and the sink. Then here we have the washing machine, and then some laundry. So this is the best part. It's the shower. We have these cool little nice doors and stuff, and we have a shower. So that was basically the thing, the bathroom or something. So yeah, now we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys the farm, the big white farm that I showed you guys the last vlog. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. So, let's go. Oh, yes. Okay, so here we are at the entrance. Woo! And here we have the farmhouse. Wow. So we actually have have some new goats and some new sheep, but some of the goats are sold and some died. So, okay, I'm gonna cry. This is so emotional. So, emotional time. My pet Spots died. So that's really sad, but eventually I got over him. So yeah, here we are. So this is the house. It's actually really upgraded, and I told you guys it was a work in progress in the last video. So now it's, I guess, not anymore. Okay, so yeah, we have the actual house over here, and yeah, that's actually really basic, but sure. Here we have the spot where the girls give birth. So yeah, we actually have some baby goats. I really love them, and they're like literally so cute. And yeah, okay, so yeah, we don't want to. We actually have a sprinkler now, and I really want to like take a shower with the sprinkler. And oh, there have the goats and the sheep, or is that? Yeah. So here, you've probably seen some new faces. We don't want to get really close to them because they might attack us. They freak out actually. So yeah, they run from me when I actually get close to them. I really feel like those camouflage people. They're always sheep. We have a really big one. He's like bigger than me if I was like a sheep. So yeah, here we have the water generator thing. Yeah, the water generator thing. There's actually a fence over here. So for example, when like there's no more grass here, side over here, they can just go over there where there's grass and stuff. So over here we have the mango trees. You've probably seen them in the last vlog because, well, due to the storm Ulysses, the typhoon Ulysses, they actually fell down. That's actually the reason why my sister's birthday wasn't like celebrated here anymore, because of the mango trees. There were like super nice views, and they were actually in like the thumbnail of my other vlogs, so yeah. So we have the windows. They're pretty long. Yeah, we have 3 windows and another window over there, and we have a bench. We have another sink over here. So yeah, beautiful sink. So now I'm going to water the plants over here. So 3, 2, 1, go. Dum, dum, dum. Oh,
Sige pa.
Mahaba the hose?
Oo.
I was like literally telling you guys about like the sheep that was like bigger than me, and there he is. The one eating right over there, the loader. So yeah. Okay, enough about the sheep and the goat. guys, we are going to harvest the pechay. I don't know what that's called in English, but sure. Ang galing. Ano pa? Farmer na ako. So you just have to like hold the stem. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the stem of this one. So you just have to hold it and then pull. And then just pull button. Okay. Pull.